Hello student, welcome back to Act the Code. If you are a college student, especially final year student, confused about placement preparation, what to study, where to start, and who is resource to follow, this video is for you. Today I will walk through a complete roadmap and preparation strategy for all type of company. Either it is SBC, service based company, or PVC, product based company, or your on campus, your off campus, either low package or higher package, with detailed resource और not only resource, रिसोर्स के साथ कौन सा टॉपिक कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है, कौन सा टॉपिक कवर करना है, फॉर एवरी सेक्शन आई विल गिव यू इन दिस वीडियो टू हेल्प यू गेट प्लेस. Let's start the video. First you need must need coding. Either you want 4 LPA or higher package or 20 LPA, you must need coding. So I'll now explain coding, what actually exactly you need and where you can study. I'll show you everything in this video. In the coding, first choose a language. So the most difficult part is choosing language. Which language should I choose or not? You have three options: C++, Java, or Python. Don't choose C as your program language. Don't choose C. Choose C++, Java, Python. Now, if anyone want to learn machine learning on AI, then must be choose the Python. If you want to learn like web development or Java full stack, then Java. Others choose the C++. I am doing DS in C++, but I am also doing machine learning or GenAI using Python. So choose any one language. Now, where you can study the language and what actually you need in the language. For C++, you can follow the Lab Babber channel. Lab Babber. Build your own resume checker. You already saw there's a very for C++, you can follow Lab Babber. For Java, you must follow the Kunal Kosala. And for Python, mysergi, you can either mysergi or Codithari. Both are important. Either you can go mysergi or Codithari. But what exactly you need to know about the language for your placement? Now I am getting that point. First, must be learn in your C++, Java, or Python, any language. Input the basic hello world, then input output. How you can take input and output, also the data type, input, output, data type. Then move to the if else and not if else, then operator. Operator is the most important part. Without operator, you can't able to solve any type of question. So first input, output, data type, then operator. Then move to the if else. If else. See the syntax. If you are C++, Java, Python, see the syntax and at least solve 10 questions in the if else. Then move loop. There's a three type of loop: for loop, while loop. First learn about the while, then for, and there's a one loop, do while loop. बट डू व्हाइल लूप पाइथन में नहीं होता, लेकिन सी प्लस प्लस जावा में मिल जाएगा. And learn about the while loop, for loop, and solve at least 20 questions. 20. And here the most important, like if you are preparing for TCS, Capgemini, Cognizant, you must know types of number. I have already made video types of number like paradigm, Armstrong, strong, perfect, prime number, Harshad number. Must watch this video. Types of number you must know. You need to know must. And then learn about the pattern printing. Pattern printing optional. If you are not finally student or if you have time, then must be learn the pattern printing. Pattern printing. Now, I as I mentioned, the video you can find in if you are watching C plus Labbabbar video I have pattern printing. If you are doing Java, Kunal Kosala, or you can learn pattern printing logic from MySearch also. The great, you can just learn from here. The pattern printing logic. My search channel. Go to the My search channel, search, and you can find. The next, move to the function now. Function, you need to know syntax, how to create function. Here you can solve just two to three questions is enough, because later you will use the function for every question. So learn about function. Then after function, move to the array. Now the array, first thing you need to know how it can take the input or declaration the array. Input or declaration. Then output. Then indexing about the array. And if you are doing in C++ Java, must be know about the pointer in array. Pointer in array. The pointer first you can learn in C or C++ or Java, whatever, must be do from the Jenny lecture. Search Jenny lecture. She has explained beautifully. To be honest, the pointer one. Jenny lecture. Search like array with pointer, you can find. The next array, you must know searching concept. Two types of searching. One linear search and binary search. Actually, some interview or company question like Capgemini or TCS digital interview, they have directly asked the binary search. And I have already made video about the binary search and linear search. Must watch. I have also made video array from basic. Must watch. After this, move to the sorting. And if you are preparing for higher job, then you must solve question using binary search. And where you can find the question? See Stiver A to Z, A to Z DSA sheet. Mass recommended DSA sheet. Check and you can find तुम्हें मिल जाएगा बानी सर्च का क्वेश्चन एंड सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट करो. द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज सॉर्टिंग. अब सॉर्टिंग में पहले लर्न करो बबल सॉर्ट. बबल को देन इंसर्शन and then selection for the array. And there will be more sort like merge sort and quick sort. But the merge sort, quick sort सीखना पहले recursion करो. First learn the recursion, then merge sort and quick sort. Because the merge sort, quick sort done by using recursion. And if you are looking for higher job, you must know the cyclic sort. Cyclic sort. And there's one video in cyclic sort, Kunal Kosala. You search cyclic sort Kunal Kosala. He has made one great video, the cyclic sort. If you want video, I also can make. But if you now want to explore the cyclic sort, because my channel does not have video till now, so search Kunal Kausala and you can find cyclic sort. Also solving question. Then after searching sorting, also you need to know sub array. Must either you're preferring for 4LP or 2L, 4LP or higher or 20LP. You must know the sub array and the one basic algorithm, Kedan algorithm. Kedan. I have already made video for the sub array. Check it. Sub array. And next, if you are looking for a higher package, then you must know the two pointer. Now for the higher package. Sometimes in lower package like 6LP, they can be asked the two pointer also. Two pointer, for the two pointer, you must solve some question like rain tapping water and short colors or to some problem. And the next, the concept is you should know slow and fast pointer. If you are looking for higher job, slow and fast pointer, fast, not fasting. And the next, overlapping concept like merge interval. Do the merge interval problem. I'll attach all the link in the description or comment box. Merge interval. And also solve line sweep algorithm. Line sweep. It is not for like 4LPA, 6LPA. It is for the higher job, higher package. Or if you're looking for Amazon, Google, then you must know this concept in the array. Then move to the 2D matrix. For the basic, I have already made video about the 2D matrix. You can check it, the basic matrix and what you need, all the question I have already made. So the 2D matrix, first you need to know how can take input, output, matrix multiplication, and after that, what you need matrix multiplication, then the transpose matrix, transpose, then spiral matrix. I have already made video, couple of video about this spiral matrix, and matrix rotated by 90 degree. And there's just so many question matrix related. I have already made rotated matrix and matrix, search in sorted matrix, sparse matrix. Watch the video. After array, now you have done the array part for on campus as well off campus. Now move to the string. And as I mentioned, where you can learn everything I have mentioned, the overlapping margin table search, the line shape algorithm search directly. You can find any YouTube channel properly, but directly search. To pointer, short color, rain tapping, water problem. And the Sulan first pointer question like remove duplicate from sorted array or find duplicate. Lead code number 287 question. Solved. Lead code number 287 question. And the sub array I have already made video. Now moving to the string part. First, learn about the basic string. If you are doing C++, you can find for LabBubber, Java, Kunal Kosala. They have solved some question about the string. And if you are Python, then you can find the MySearch or Coded Harry. And string question you must know, like count frequency of each character, count frequency without hash map. तुम खुद से कैसे hash map create करोगे? Frequency of each character. And next anagram and K group anagram, or follow the step by sheet A to Z. You can see A to Z. They have lots of string question. And don't go to the directly Rabin K algorithm. Don't do that. Now after string, you need to learn the recursion. And the recursion, you must know the merge sort, merge and quick sort. First learn the basic recursion, the merge sort, quick sort. If you are looking for higher package, then the problem is count and say problem. Count and say. And there's a combination problem, combination or all permutation combination you need to find. Or next, not next permutation. And उसके बाद एक problem है count inversion for the higher package, not for the lower package. Count inversion and combination, count and say. And there's lots of problem you can find. But for the lower package, just basic recursion, merge or quick sort is enough. And if you're looking for only on campus and TCS, Capgemini, Cognizant, that is enough for you. But if you want more package, more like PBC, off campus, higher job package, the higher job, then you should know the link list. The next topic, link list. Link list. Who actually doing C++? Labbabber had made great video on link list. For the Java people, you can check the Kunal Kusala. But if you want logic, then check the Labbabber video. Also, Stiver you can check. Stiver have done using C++ Java. And for the Python people, you can check the MySearch. MySearch already have made video about the link list. If you want a special lecture or anything in link list, comment. Then after link list, you should know stack. And as I said, the stack video actually made great video. LabBubber was from the LabBubber. Watch LabBubber for the stack. And the queue also, queue, queue, stack and queue, LabBubber. And if you are doing like Python people, MySearch and or Java people, you can watch Stiver. If you want logic better, then must be saw the LabBubber video. See. And after stack and queue, you must know the next part is tree. Or there's one priority queue also here queue, and there's one priority queue. But priority queue must be learned in the tree. You can learn here also, but prefer the tree. First learn the tree. And the tree Also, I'll suggest the lab bubber plus Stiver for the tree. I'll suggest this to channel for the tree, and then learn from heap. Heap we can learn from same lab bubber Stiver. And after tree, complete the tree, and the tree part, like for you need, like for first binary tree, then BST, and all three types of traversal. Watch the channel, you can find all the resource. And after this you need DP. Next move to the DP, and DP Staver. No doubt Staver has made great video on DP, and the graph also Staver, without any doubt. And after this and this is for the higher package, not the lower package. Got it? But for the lower package also, you need to know some basic theory about the graph, basic theory. And after that you can explore the segment tree, Fenwick tree, segment tree, and there's a Fenwick tree you can explore. Also try you can watch from the labbab, the logic, and you can watch from the Staver also, based on a language. Then actually coding part done. The coding and all the resource what you need exactly they're done. And the further follow the Staver, there's a sheet Staver A to Z sheet. Follow this one. I also have made one sheet, my sheet actually, and the sheet content till the link list, and for the on campus especially. And also I have made couple of video like company preparation, company wise. You can check the playlist company wise preparation. So must watch if you're looking for any specific company. I have made for Capgemini, also some question for TCS Cognizant. I will upload more video for the specific company wise video. Now next, you should know the aptitude. Now where you can learn the aptitude. If you have, if you don't have any time, so follow the career ride, career ride channel. Must follow. If you have enough time, then follow the RS, the Wi-Fi study. If you have enough time, then follow Wi-Fi study. And the sir name is Sahil sir, the best one to be honest. if you like, अगर तुम्हारे पास बहुत कम टाइम है तो कैरियर राइट से देख लो प्लेसमेंट के लिए. अगर तुम्हारे पास बहुत टाइम है, if you are like first student second year, then watch Wi-Fi study Sahil sir. And other resource, must do RS Gravel book practice. And online website IndiaBix and Prefinsta enough. IndiaBix and Prefinsta. Insta. And next, you should know the logical reasoning. Logical reasoning. Also the core subject. Don't worry, I will mention what actually you need in the core subject. Logical reasoning, just watch career ride. It is enough. Career ride. Search career ride logical reasoning playlist. You can find one playlist. I will attach the link. Just watch. That is actually enough. If you have time, then you can explore other video also. But first, watch this career ride from the channel. And you can practice from IndiaBix or Pfinsta. Those two websites prefer first. And now moving to the course subject or CS. In CS subject, you need DBMS. And DBMS on placement oriented. Watch from the code health or Lab Babbar channel code health. Got it? And the CN must watch from the Kunal Kosala. Or you can explore for the placement oriented. And SQL also you can, and for the SQL, I'll suggest you watch from Campus X. There's a Campus X. He had made great video on SQL. First you need coding, then core subject. The logical aptitude optional, because optional not optional actually, for the mass recorder company they will give question. But if you are looking for hard package, They are not asking aptitude logical like Amazon, PBC. But the CS subject they can ask DBMS, component networking, and the SQL from the campus X. And the next what you need, like basic of OS, operating system का basic आना चाहिए. Basic मतलब like type, what is OS, type of OS, and state of OS और POSIX का जो state था, and all the scheduling algorithm, all scheduling algorithm. And उसके बाद तुम्हारा डेडलॉक क्या होता है, and that is an also thread versus POSIX. तो इतना चाहिए. एंड ओएस के लिए तुम कोई भी यूट्यूब चैनल देख लो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता इसका लिए, लेकिन ऊपर दोनों के लिए तुम्हें वही देखना पड़ेगा. एंड ऑल्सो लर्न द बेसिक ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग. यूज द गेट स्मार्ट, ये भी गेट स्मार्ट से देख लेना. गेट स्मार्ट सर, अगर तुम्हारे पास टाइम है तो अन अकेडमी देख लेना. टाइम है, इफ यू हैव टाइम तो अन अकेडमी. और सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग बेसिक, बेसिक मतलब सॉफ्टवेयर जो इंजीनियरिंग का जो मॉडल है ना, टाइप्स ऑफ मॉडल, वाटरफॉल मॉडल, वो मॉडल लिखना. वो मॉडल तुम गेट स्मार्ट से देख लो. गेट स्मार्ट सर बेसिक, ज्यादा मत दिखो. एंड उप्स, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज द उप्स. एंड उप्स अगर तुम सी प्लस प्लस करो तो तुम्हें मिल जाएगा लब्बब्बर से, वहीं पे. अगर तुम जावा कर रहे हो तो कुणाल कौशला से, और तुम पाइथन कर रहे हो तो कोडी थैरी और माइसेजी से मिल जाएगा. बट आई विल सजेस्ट उप्स मस्ट बी लर्न फ्रॉम द टू वेबसाइट. वन इज gigs for gigs, gigs for gigs, and the second is java tutorial point. ये दोनों वेबसाइट से उप्स को लर्न करो. एंड उप्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आस्क्ड बाय एवरी कंपनी, सो मस्ट यूनिट तुमको आना ही चाहिए उप्स. और इसमें क्या चार जो पिलर होते हैं ना, वो पिलर देखो. पहले एब्स्ट्रैक्शन, उसका रियल एग्जांपल, रियल लाइफ, एंड साथ में कोड. एब्स्ट्रैक्शन, उसके बाद इनकैप्सुलेशन, इनकैप्सुलेशन, देन इनहेरिटेंस, layers of website, then inheritance, नेक्स्ट पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म. उसका टाइप भी देखो. इनहेरिटेंस देखो, उसका टाइप भी देखो. जैसे इनहेरिटेंस का बहुत सारा टाइप है. अगर जावा में क्यों, तो व्हाई जावा डज नॉट सपोर्ट मल्टीपल इनहेरिटेंस. पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म का टाइम, जैसे रन टाइम, कंपाइल टाइम, उसका कोड तुम्हें आना ही चाहिए मस्ट. आइदर यू आर लुकिंग फॉर फुल पे और हायर पैकेज, यू मस्ट नो द कोर्स सब्जेक्ट. You must know either looking for a higher package, lower package, any type of, or if you are looking for a job in IT sector, you must know this concept. Got it? And the advanced concept in C++ like friend function, virtual function. In Java like final keyword, final is keyword, and there's a final keyword, finally something keyword, and also try catch. Try catch. You should know the try catch also. Now CS core subject done. What you have till cover, you must know the coding and CS and aptitude and logical reasoning and English verbal. English verbal, you can prefer from anywhere. English verbal, don't focus this one too much. You should need your communication skill, but coding, the main things coding. CS means core subject, aptitude, logical, and you need 2 to 3 project in a resume. And project how you can build, it's depend. Like you can choose any one technology, either web or app or machine learning or data engineer, or now you can, now trending is Gen AI and machine learning or deep learning, or you can take the Gen AI. The web development you can use the code with Harry. Watch code with Harry video. You can find couple of video about the web development. For the web, there's a front end, first front front end, then back end. And the backend is like you have two options, man and mean stack. Man and mean. You can choose anyone. FIFA the man, MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. And React or Namaste, there's one challenge like Namaste JS something React JX. You can watch the video also. Or Code Theory for the web. For the app also you can find Code Theory channel. And the ML or deep learning, I will suggest there's a one channel Campus 6. Watch this one. Campus 6. He had made great video, machine learning with math. Also math. He has explained all the maths behind the machine learning deep learning algorithm with code. And for the Gen AI, I have already made video, the Gen AI playlist. You can watch the Gen AI. I will upload more video in the Gen AI. And data engineering, you can watch from any channel or you can watch from the Campus 6. And make 2 to 3 project. Make 2 to 3 project and practice lead code. If you are looking for higher package, must be practice lead code and gigs for gigs or GFG. You must practice or code shape or give contest in the code shape or code force or at coder. Give contest or you can give contest in the lead code also. Code force. So give contest if you're looking for 10 LPA or 20 LPA, then you must visit this website, solve question and give context. Otherwise, you will not get higher package. If you are looking for 4 LPA, then contest is optional, but always practice contest so then you can get better idea. But for 4 LPA, people also need solve lead code and gigs for gigs basic question, not the hard question or all the type of question. And for resume, you need to build one resume. I'll give you some template of the resume. You can go to the overleaf and there's a resume template. This one actually good. This one also good. Resume template. Or this one. This one I am using this one currently. This one actually good resume template. You can use anyone. Resume template should be. Don't use this kind of resume template. If you want a specific video on resume, write down in the comment. If you have any kind of doubt for any type of company, you can write down in the comment. So already I have explained all the things what you need, where you can study. I will attach all the links in the comment box. If you have any doubt, you can directly ask in the comment box. Okay, let's see you in the next lecture.